Wow, I can't believe it has been 12 months since I recorded the last holiday message. We've had so much fun this year that time has flown by. Years feel like months now. Do you remember that movie from a few years ago about a young man that had a remote control that could control time? I think it was called Click. When I think about all that is going on in Forever around the world, I wish I could borrow that remote control and slow down time to allow me to visit you all every year. Just think, we could use the remote to also speed up time to get us through the tough times a little quicker. However, I have observed that when things get tough, we become more humble, kind, and grateful. And I think you'll agree that these are all great attributes. So maybe we don't need to speed up time with that remote control. Maybe we need just a little more patience. I remember reading a quote once that said, "The bad news is that time flies. The good news is that you are the pilot." What a great thought. You may not be in control of time, but we are in control of what we do with our time. Like many of you, Ruth and I love this time of year. It's a unique and special time, a time to give gifts, a time to look heavenward, with an increased sense of gratitude for all that we have, a time to help, a time to serve, a time to share our talents with others. We do, however, recognize that for some of you, this time of year may not hold fond memories, or that you may find yourself in the midst of life's toughest trials. Whatever the cause, our hearts go out to you, and we sincerely hope that your challenges are temporary, and that your shoulders are strong enough to bear the burdens. Over the past couple of years, Ruth and I have gotten to know a group of talented young musicians and singers who voluntarily perform to inspire others. Recently, they chose to share their talents with a group of pensioners living in a local care home, and they recorded this surprise. I love this video because of the effect that the talents of these singers has on the listeners. I know you will enjoy this as much as I did.
Way to go.
Hi, is it okay if we come in and do some maintenance?
Oh, yes!
I've got a little bit of a crew here.
What can I do to help?
No, you're fine. Please don't move. We don't want to disturb you. Okay. They're just going to check some things around, just to make sure everything's working okay for you.
Excelsior, 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 angels to beckon me nearer, my God, to thee, dearer, my God, to thee, excelsior, 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 the sky,
Wasn't that great? I just love looking at the faces of the people as the surprise sets in, and then seeing their appreciation of the talent and abilities of these young people. Did you notice how the gentleman in the white shirt began to express his passions and talents towards the end? You see, this is the essence of success. When we're willing to share our talents, gifts, and opportunities with others, it enhances their lives and in turn yours. This new year, our plea to each of you is to share your talents and be ready to inspire others everywhere you go. There are millions of Forever FBOs, staff, friends, and family around the world that can be a positive force for good if we're willing to share what we have with others. There is no limit to what you can achieve if you are willing to share. Thank you for your contribution in 2016, and we look forward to working and sharing with you into next year and beyond. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and Happy Holidays. And remember, the power of forever is the power of love.